Memoir Kwaba Eba Puyaka TV so Puyaka TV Ana Oshi. Say where your first time Bomadia subscribe. Me a notification is so. Click it on no send your video. Pia ye de betumono abisha. Wonso Sabeka no nye bia sure. Me dasi bebre. Abisha for Lawyer Maurice Ampaw dinko mo abisha wo dinko mo. Lawyer Maurice Ampaw chemwa. Chema Wontumi a NDC aban edina kotum no eye politically motivated enunti ana Chema Wontumi ebusia ene woyeden wo dem ewo ensanwam no osi bibia kyese President John Dramani Mahama ansakra na Ghana for ebeto abama no nim se oba power pe Chema Wontumi de wode ne beden wode ne bekwa kotum NDC fo ni nyina adwempo ano ma eden o mafa ne se Chema Wontumi dear, omoba power, omo de nebekwa kwede, womo de nebekwa kotum, omo opposition, omo yeden, womo ka President John Dramani Mahama ne first term, wadi nenisi Chema Wontumi so, ema ne machines or dear, mani nyina ebushafo, womo kosese ni nyina, nti oba power yi dear, se jumana anane dome nisi so omo babeden, womo babe, it was say, Chema Wontumi, won here pardon bia enyede, every President John Dramani Mahama ho ne momuno eye vindication e was some rani yeden eye jumana mrani prove say Chema Wontumi enye galamse ana no yeden ana no ye ne momuno enipa okoye na sase ni so aduma ode koye galamse a wokose asase no Chema Wontumi wanye kapre anyeden every se nipa no honum enti senke probia prosecute no amia jelina na yese nipa na enye Chema Wontumi ebusia Lawyer Maurice Ampaw was a Chema Wontumi won here pardon every President John Dramani Mahama honum ne momuno vindication ano eden wo here modie mumi nkotie Lawyer Maurice Ampaw.
No, when Wontumi was jailed, look at the tribulation and outcome from that cortex, and look at the way by which the judgment, the trial was hurried. That has never happened in the Ghana criminal jurisprudence, that a high-profile podcast case will be heard within record time, 6 months. And before Wontumi was jailed, no, it was predetermined. It was already prophesied. NDC apparatus and insiders had the ruling and they know the outcome. They even predicted not only the outcome but the sentence and the jubilation. To tell you, say, Wontumi can never be pardoned by President Mahama, but it will be a podcast suicide, and that is the last thing President Mahama will do. NDC will be angry with President Mahama if he enter any attempts of trying to pardon Chema Wontumi. So President Mahama cannot do it. Within the next 2.5 years now, President Mahama Tisono. And it was part of the agenda. The President Mahama and the ruling government agenda to jail Wontumi. It was part of the agenda. Resetting, no, the mining sector, no, let's jail Wontumi to send a signal. As if we are fighting Galamsey. As if Wontumi, the Galamsey kingpin, the person destroying all our river bodies and our forests and everything is Galamsey. It's Chema Wontumi. If you jail Chema Wontumi, you win the fight against Galamsey. You certify your party people, and you create the impression of Ghanaians that you've done a human job. That is exactly what has been done. Politically motivated. So, do you think the money spent and the industry and the risk some people have taken to get me to be changed, then we are calling for what? Pardon now? No. Wontumi, because it was politically motivated, try persecution. It takes the intervention of God. So everybody, you want Wontumi to be freed, no. It takes the hand of God. It takes the hand of God and what the legal process and political pressure. Wontumi doesn't need pardon. Wontumi need vindication. Again, Wontumi doesn't need pardon, but vindication, because he's innocent. The man has never done the galamsey. The man was not caught doing galamsey. Somebody did galamsey on the site, so, and he said, and I did not approve of it. I did not support it. And to know me, my son says, "No, manji one CD, manji diamond, manji one CD, emphasis on mano, manji one CD, ewa gudia otu. And the person who testified said yes, Wontumi did not take one CD from him. Wontumi did not benefit from any exploiter. It taking place over the land. So 2022, long time ago. And if all this evidence before the court and the judge is still bent on jailing Wontumi, it takes the hand of God to undo what they have done. It takes the hand of God. 2, it takes legal fight. That is why Wontumi is at the appeal court, and with the appeal judge, there is one judge. It's easy to manipulate one judge. It's easy to get one judge to do your bidding. It's easy for one judge to be biased. It's easy for one judge to have personal hatred. It's easy for one judge to go wrong. So justice and leadership one. Now when it moves to the court appeal, no, 3 judges. What Wontumi need now is prayers. What Wontumi need now is legal prowess. Now going on appeal, and it starts with motion for bail pending appeal, and we are praying, say, by Tuesday, Wednesday. Bible be I said obia Wontumi bo, and the more we have jail me, and say nyame man is so. Now on find favor with every judge. What is the court appeal that we hear, or any judge to find favor with the application? And to find favor in the application, it takes good legal arguments plus the grace. And we pray that Nyame be silence any interference from any courts. Nyame be silence any interference from any courts. May God grant that judge the peace of mind. No matter what to application is for bail. Now, me so the die. No blame any. No who you quarrel. Now, on temper justice with mercy for Wontumi to grant a bail. Before its appeal is said by 3 court appeal judges, and it's my prayer that given the evidence before the court, records, and the law, and the legal technicalities, Wontumi will be vindicated through the legal process. The court appeal, if God willing, and they are to look at the case legally, and they are to do the case without fear or favor, without any victimization, without any influence from outside, with judicial integrity. I'm sure Wontumi will be vindicated. Senam has been vindicated, and other Senam was vindicated, the way Chachika was vindicated, and a lot of people have gone on appeal and have been vindicated. We pray for Wontumi to have that favor, because some of us is not guilty. And how can somebody who is innocent be pardoned? And you already born and you pardon. Then you only born here. And it's Wontumi as a media, our court. Now, young man said, judge is not better than no. Nyame so mo die. No who the truth, nothing but the truth. And politically also, Wontumi is a political prisoner, and everybody knows that the jail, was an agenda, but it has failed because judge the same or jail Wontumi said they are deterrent. So by ya galamsey be jai. So I'm about phone to goat and galamsey. But what has happened now? After the jailing of Wontumi on the 20th of July, Galamsey are worsening. There is massive invasion of our forest. There is massive destruction of our water bodies, and there's a sense of hopelessness. Every area is invaded with Galamsey, and people who were jubilating are now worried. Kenashigbe and Co are now worried. And then there are people who say that, look, a lot of Eratos, the one who let Galamsey this thing, Eratos, they were not trying. I say, look, there has been so many alleged arrests before Wontumi case, you know. This government came to power. You are arresting a man for Galamsey up to time I jail to me. No prosecution. Before NPP, NDC took over power, 2025, 7 January, up to now. NDC for Muna Mama Bajatu say the party for the Bisu. And no more, that's your more. Court no is not ready for their cases. The Attorney General and Co have no motivation to prosecute those Galamseyers. It is not part of the agenda. It's not part of the recent agenda. Omo party aba into Musumu Didi. Omo yebi. Into no yen single tip Wontumi pe may hurry jail him. And then there's free for all. So we have a lot of arrests but no prosecution. And even if it's prosecuted, the judges are not motivated. Because those people before the judges know are not the target. Okay, I say, oh, my, you're mono, and you're mono, you're teacher mono. Now, I'm say, look, I'm the class say, look, your chief for the China son of the Indian Monko, but then immediately, you're punish you. That was the policy of NDC. And then before elections, you know, they came to tell us, look, and then now they made Operation Land Guard for a hard day. Now, I'm member Galamsey for the Ayujuma. 2024, they were in the bush and the forest and the river place and promising free Galamsey and the Mama. And Mama make a chair and say, Galamsey Sika. It's helping the economy. Because most of our money, they say, we don't have money, but gold is making money. And, or see, Mama say, it is not to say gold now, Galamsey benefiting about something for benefiting. That's Mama. And Mama said, look, I'm not for new Jumaye. Mama said, I'm not for new Jumaye. It okay say, we will go after if to stop Galamsey. And then I know Jumaye. So Mama put it before Ghanaians. So see, look, there are two things. Most stop Galamsey because budget no. Ghana bisika, you did the cat. Go the you trade your car. They be a support economy. And you see, Yanja Galamsey, Yanja go there, and then we are prepared for hardship, which President Mahama is not ready for. Because he doesn't want to impose hardship on Ghanaians. And to the end, I'm not and I go board, and then Gala board, and I'm about to say, Obia Galamsey go there. Where they call I'm a go board. No, and it is on the rapper. And you see, the judge who sentenced me to me, if he keeps on watching television and radio, he will see, say, the wrong person has been targeted. And you know, no wonder. And then the father of Galamsey, even after jailing Wontumi, the innocent person has become worse. And you see, Wontumi incarceration is posing a lot of cases on the nation. Because you see, there is a criminal principle which says that it is better to free 1,000 criminals. Let 1,000 criminals go scot-free than to jail an innocent person. Then, legally, no, it brings injustice, and this justice is what God hates is injustice. If you look at very well, Bra Israel follow a sorry Obana Kobo Jamai. No one said the message said, no boy Jamai. Oh, you see the boy, you too. Ain't you know, Obana Kobo Jamai, no, not South Farasi Funo, and said this is when he said, oh, you know. You didn't know it, but the law is law. Near Kobano so. Yes, way, Obama. Where the and yes, sir. Yes, see, what do Jamai, you got tono. So, we may book to the so. Wabo Jamai, it's young, Yaba, then a man say. Namisha, no one say, or so the money be Juma. Ah, and almost so Bobo, they can't survive. Tina, yes, you say, be no say, man, Moka. Galam say, I must say, Galam say, I'm Moka was him. Near Onya Galam say that, Onya Bonnie, than on your not to more Barbano. Or say, yes, Christo, pure, I mean, a bonnet share the accusers of the lady will be a share no watch with the machine and a job and that is the happening. Mama buy and NDC buy nya on galamsey or NDC abenu nya on benefiting for galamsey nya on saying so and then nya on the galamsey home sadi pano on and that is exactly what is happening. So the more to me is there. It's turning cases on this government, and it will have serious spiritual ramification. And anybody who is part of the scheme will suffer. And not only that, too, innocent people too is likely to suffer because it's like we have targeted an innocent soul, get him jailed, but what we are accusing him of, we are using that to move the economy. We are benefiting. We have people who are doing it, and people are doing with impunity. So I gotta say no, with impunity. Go to social media, go everywhere. So it's about to be. You don't need President Mahama pardon. You need God mercy.